Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video here on Phloshop. My name is Joseph and I'm in the studio with Eleanor. We're doing a 3-light studio setup. So I'm going to show you what each light is doing and the reasons why I have positioned them the way I have, plus the kind of modifiers and what each light is supposed to be doing, right? So starting off, I have this as my main light, and because all the lights here are Godox lights, I don't necessarily have to walk to each one of them to turn them off or turn them on. So I can control this with my trigger, the X Pro C trigger, and so I can just set like each of them to a power that matches what I'm looking for right now. So this has a cone on there, and on the cone there is a grid. So what this is supposed to do is, it's supposed to create a very hard, harsh, and focused light just on this area of my subject. Because that is the focus, I want that part to stand out in the frame or immediately draw your attention to it. Now, if I just use this light, it means the rest of her is going to go dark, including our background. So in order to lift up the shadows or that darkness in there, what I did was just add my 60-inch octa box, also from Glow, and this is angled a little bit away from her. So if this is where she's sitting, right, and I'm supposed to draw a straight line from the light, it's supposed to like just wash out past her. But what it's going to do is it's just going to spill around. So that spill light is what I'm going to be using to light her up. It means it's going to be soft and it's going to be spreading everywhere. That also means that we're going to fill up the shadows, and because of the size, all the way from up here to the bottom, and so you'll be able to see some information in the shadows over there. Now, to make her also pop off the background a lot more, I have a third light right here, and what it's supposed to do is add some separation. So this is going to throw light all the way onto my subject. So there's going to be like a rim light all around here, especially around the hair area, so she doesn't blend with the backdrop. As you can see, the backdrop is dark and she's a bit far from it. So the inverse square law is just going to make the background go really, really dark. But then adding this light just adds some separation and creates more depth. So I'm going to start taking pictures so you guys will see how everything is coming together. I'll turn off all the lights and then we'll just start off with the backlight so you can see exactly what's happening. So the beautiful thing about these Godox lights is that you can control them with a trigger, like I said in the beginning. So right now I want to turn off my main light and my fill light and just leave the hair light on. My main light is set to group A, so I'm just going to turn that off. I'll go to group B, which is my fill light, and I'll also turn that off. If I go to group C, which is supposed to be my hair light, you can see that it's set to 1/2 plus 0.3. So I'm going to take a shot and then you guys would see how that looks. All right, so you don't need to do the poses yet, because for now, I just want them to see what the light is doing. Don't worry. I mean, whatever pose you give, just stay through for about 3 clicks, because after each shot, I'll turn on the light so they see what it's doing. All right, so for now, my camera settings, I'm doing high-speed sync in the studio, and the reason is I'm shooting at 1.4 because I want to have like a lot of shallow depth in the images. I'm at 1/250 on the shutter speed, f1.4, and my ISO is L. It's also because I want to kill a lot of the ambient lights going on, so it's only my flashes that are going to be lighting up my scene. Okay, so now with just the backlight on, yeah, keep that. So you stay with this pose throughout, okay. Perfect. Now you can see it's just the backlight that is going off, and you can see what it's doing, lighting up the hair, her shoulders, and a little bit is spilling off onto her arm. All right, I'm gonna go into my trigger, and now I'll turn group B on, which is supposed to be my fill light. And now that it's also on 1/64, I'll take another shot. So now you can see that the fill light is lifting up a lot of the shadows, and now you can see a lot of information going on, and it's adding up to that backlight that we had in the beginning. So I'm going to turn on my main light now, which is group A, and that is set to 1/128. I'll take another shot, and with all of them together, you can see that we have this popping image right on the back of our screen. So with all of this coming together, I'm going to start taking a few frames and I'll be popping the images on the screen so you guys can see how they look. All right, well, that's a stunning pose. Keep that. Beautiful. I love that. Stunning. All right. Yeah, keep that chin up a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, keep that. Beautiful. One more. Okay. I feel like, yes, I was about to talk about the legs. If we could angle it, yeah, maybe a bit more. No, so, yeah, just like that. Perfect. Keep that. Yeah, that's stunning. I have to shoot these in landscape, and then I'll crop the portrait out. Ooh, that's beautiful. Oh, I love that. Keep that. Stunning. One more. What if you actually like cross your leg on your thigh? Let's see the other way. Okay, so these I'll come a little closer. So as you guys can see, we got like the main shot that we wanted, and that was that length that I was shooting at. But again, I'm just gonna come close and see if we can get some tighter shots, because having a lot more frames and perspectives always helps. So let's come close and then just start taking some pictures, and I'll also pop them on the screen so you guys can see. So if you get some value from the video, leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, if this is the first time you're taking a chance on this channel, subscribe and then become a part of our family. Right? Yeah. Okay. So this is going to be a little bit like tight. So maybe from here to somewhere around here. Yeah, just like that. Okay. Ooh, this is beautiful. Yeah, that's stunning. Keep that. Beautiful. Nice. Oh yeah, that's actually good. And then raise your head up. Raise it up, and then tilt it, angle it a little bit. I wish you could, so I don't want your body straight on, so maybe move your body this way, and then bring your top back. Yeah, and then head up, and then, yeah, stunning. Keep that. Okay, that's too much. So bring your body back to me a little bit. Perfect. Yeah, that's it. Bring your face a little bit more this way, a little bit more. Yeah, right there. And then chin up. Stunning. Keep that. Oh yeah, keep that. And maybe let's play with the height of your hand. So maybe one can go a little higher. Yeah, just like that. Ooh, keep that. Let me go a little further for this. Can you cross your leg a bit more? Yeah, perfect. Keep that. Ooh, that's stunning. Chin up. Perfect. Beautiful. Ooh, these are fire, Eleanor. You have no idea. Alright guys, so this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you got something useful out of this 3-light studio setup. I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed the images from our stunning Eleanor. And if you did get value out of this video as well, please leave a like. It supports the channel. And yeah, before I even go, just check out my digital store. I have so many free presets in there, and I also have paid ones. If you buy the paid ones, it's actually going to help the channel as well. And yeah, let me know what you think about the setup and the images that we got. Yeah, I think that is it for today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And remember, don't ever give up.
Don't ever give up. These dots of sweat on my nose.
Gone.